Do you know what is vector product? Okay, vector product or cross product is a special multiplication between two vectors. When you multiply two vectors using vector product, the result is another vector, not a number. That new vector is perpendicular, 90 degrees, to both original vectors. If you have two vectors A and B, their vector product gives a new vector C that is perfectly perpendicular to both A and B. In normal math, 2 times 3 equals 3 times 2. But in vector product, vector A times vector B equals negative vector B times vector A. This property is called anti-commutative. Vector product is the mathematical engine behind torque, angular momentum, rotation in 3D space, etc. Without vector product, physics and engineering would be stuck in flat 2D thinking. Thank you. Subscribe this channel for more interesting contents.
Do you know what is conservative and non-conservative force? Conservative force is a force that stores energy and gives it back completely, and its work depends only on where something starts and ends. Example, gravity. Gravity pulls the ball down. When you lift the ball up, you give it energy. When it comes down, gravity gives that energy back. It's like gravity is very honest. It never steals energy. But a non-conservative force is a force in which the work done depends on the path taken and energy is not fully recovered. That means the longer the path, the more work is done. Some energy is usually lost, mostly as heat or sound. If an object returns to the same starting point, the total work done is not zero. Some examples of non-conservative force are frictional force, air resistance, viscous force, etc. Thank you. Please subscribe this channel.
Do you know without equilibrium, structures would collapse? But what is equilibrium? So let's check. We know in nature many forces act on objects like gravity, push, pull, friction, tension, and more. When these forces are perfectly balanced, the object is said to be in equilibrium. Equilibrium simply means balance of forces. It's the state of a body when the total force and total torque acting on it are zero. Let's understand with an example. Imagine a book placed on a table. Gravity pulls the book downward, the table pushes upward with equal force. Both forces are equal and opposite, so the net force becomes zero. That's why the book stays at rest. It is in equilibrium. Engineers use equilibrium to design bridges, buildings, and machines. That's the power of balance in physics. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.